Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Rollins Inc. This is ticker ROW. Now, on a day where we had billions of dollars wiped from the stock market indexes, SPY closing under the 8-day exponential, QQQ closing under the 8-day exponential, and IWM closing under the 50-day moving average, Rollins Inc. is actually trying to break out here. And so I definitely like searching for relative strength in a weak market, meaning stocks that are strong when the general market is weak. And we definitely have that here with ROL. We have a nice long base of consolidation. We have a breakout today coming on higher than average volume. And so I would definitely watch for a potential pullback bounce to the 8-day or 21-day exponential period moving average to get in, or a momentum move through 59.70. Now, of course, you're chasing a bit here, so you'll want a tighter stop. But again, I absolutely love looking for stocks that are strong on a day when the market is weak, and this is one of them. And it trades a good amount of volume. Typically, sometimes you get a strong stock on a weekday, doesn't trade more than 1 million shares a day. This one on average trades about 2 million a day, so it's liquid enough and ideally has enough juice in the tank for a momentum move through 59.70. That's what I would look for here on Rollins Inc. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. I'll see you next time.